If you don't crack this code today, your channel might never recover. This is the most important video you will ever watch. YouTube is testing you and you don't know that. You don't even notice that. Yes, YouTube is testing us. You did everything right. You uploaded your video, you worked on your thumbnails, but you end up with some views. At least after getting some views, but then dead stop. There is zero views. There are no views at all. What happened? Why? Why it's happening? Why there are only zero views after certain time? Why? I'll tell you now. Because YouTube is silently running a secret test on your channel. Right now, your videos are stuck in hidden AI ranking system. And if you fail this test, the videos will never recommend again. Your channel could permanently restricted without warning. Your content might never reach the right audience. The worst part, 99% of creators never figure this out. They keep uploading, hoping something will change, but it never does. But today, we are here to break the cycle. I'm going to expose the formula they don't want you to know. YouTube algorithm isn't broken. It is rigged by big creators, and because even though their retention rate is less, even though their views are little bit less, as they have proven content and they have viral content already in their channel, their videos will get recommended at any place. But as a small creator, we will be struggling to get the views, and that's how we'll be going to the big creators and see what they are doing right and what we are not doing right. But let me tell you, we are also doing it right, but we are doing it in a different way that big creators are not doing in the same way. And only few people have cracked this particular secret. Let me show you that particular secret. Watch every second of this video, because I'm going to tell you how to really force YouTube to unlock our videos immediately. Don't ever miss the content. If you miss, you will be missing all the locks which will enhance your video. Let me tell you, there is YouTube AI which is holding our hostage. What exactly is holding? First is hidden score system. YouTube secretly gives every video a ranking risk score. What exactly is ranking risk score? I'll tell you what exactly is ranking risk score. Ranking risk score means, for example, there is a movie, okay, whether you'll go for reviews or whether you'll not go for reviews. Some people will go for reviews, whether it is good movie or bad movie, because they don't want to spend money. But some go for the craze because their hero. It's their hero who will be performing out there. They don't want to miss the content. But exactly, if YouTube will consider these people who are not interested to go movie with craze, they rank based on the YouTube's audience attention. And if audience are not giving attentively listening to the content which we are delivering, then we are failed. That's a risk. YouTube will see that it as a risk and it will never promote to any of the audiences. If your video fails in this first 3 hours, it will test up to 3 hours. And if it is failing in first even 3 hours without no CTA, no click-through rates and no watch hours, no one clicking through your content, no one even listening to your content. YouTube buries it permanently. It will not show to any of the audiences. It will never reach the right audience. That's a risking rank score which is given by AI, not a human. Next is shadow freeze penalty. If your viewer drop off within next first 10 seconds, for example, if you are dropping off my video within first 10 seconds, then my video is flagged. YouTube assumes it is a low quality content. Even if my quality is also good, it will think it is a low quality because your audience, as an audience, did not like my content and dropping off from my channel, and you don't want to see my content. So every channel it's the same thing which happens. So if your viewers are dropping within 10 seconds, then you have to work why they are dropping on the content. Next is watch time track. YouTube does not track your watch time, even though viewers are continue watching others after years. That means, for example, if you go to the cinema, if you go again, that's a hit movie, right? Similarly, if you watch the video for this video, after you watch this particular video, if you watch my next video, then my channel is a hit channel. If you don't watch my next content, what exactly I am telling, then my channel is a flop channel, right? So similarly, it's the concept of movie. If some movie is hit, that's a talk with the audience. If audience tells that the particular cinema is hit, then that movie is hit. If the audience says that movie is flop, then the movie is flopped. Similarly, in YouTube, if the audience makes them their mark in that particular channel or their mark in the video content, then it's a hit. If not, it's not. Even people leave YouTube after watching your channel. That means, for example, they watch your channel and they leave the YouTube itself, complete YouTube. They don't want to see another movies. Then your channel will be marked as session killer. That means your channel is making them leave from the YouTube, right? So your channel will be flagged as session killer. That's uh, that's how YouTube watch time trap will be happening with you. This is why, see, YouTube videos, some videos go viral and others disappear forever. If your videos are getting zero views, that means either you have failed in this one, any of the forever. But I will tell you how to break this system as well. Don't go away. YouTube does not rank videos based on views. It ranks based on this formula. I'm unlocking the formula for you. Don't skip the content right now. Please subscribe, like, and share this content. It might be helpful for some others. Don't ever go away. I'm right now unlocking the formula right away now. The formula is 3, 2, 1, go. Algorithm unlock score equal to impression watch time into session expansion divided by viewer drop friction. What exactly is this? Is it a mathematical formula? No, it's not a mathematical formula. Is it a English formula? No, it's not an English formula. It's a simple YouTube formula which YouTube AI follows thus. What exactly is impression watch time? Most of you don't know what exactly is impression watch time, right? For example, if you go to your analytics and see besides the bar, there is an impression watch time. You'll get like average view duration this much, and how much seconds the videos seen. I'll show you that particular thing in this particular video. If viewers click and watch longer than 2 minutes, YouTube boosts it. Exactly. If YouTube wants to stay right, YouTube wants people to stay on the video. If you go away from within 2 minutes, then why it will boost you? It's not at all worth it, right? So it will not do. What exactly is session expansion? If viewers watch another video after yours, YouTube multiplies your reach. For example, you have one channel. If you go and watch other channel after watching your channel, if you go and watch some other videos after dropping your channel, after posting your channel, once you watch your video, go and watch some other videos, give some impressions like comment, share, like on this particular videos, then YouTube will consider your videos to be grown and multiply. What is viewer drop friction? If viewers leave YouTube after your video, your score drops instantly. Most creators fail because they ignore step 2. But now I'm about to show how to force YouTube hand. Even though if you're ignoring all this, how to force the YouTube to work on your videos. I will show you how to break YouTube system. First step, a hook lock method. First of all, why Bahubali movies hit? At last, in Bahubali movie, what did Rajamouli do? He has made a thriller. He has made a viral thing. What exactly is that? He made Katappa kill Bahubali, and that made it viral. Like every audience was talking about why Katappa has killed Bahubali, right? So that's the thing. The hook. What is the hook clock method? Is the example for you right now? I'm telling you is the same Bahubali concept. We have to involve that kind of curiosity, thrilling mechanism in our video, then you can make it a successful video. And don't ever start your video with, how are you guys, are you fine, I'm good. Don't make a statement that feels like boring, it's a regular content, but start like a thriller. I will show you blockbuster movie in this concept. I will show you a high energetic drama in this video, a statement that feels like a warning. Don't miss it. Don't If you miss it, you will never be able to achieve your dream. Stop. YouTube is secretly deleting your views, and I will prove it. That's the example which I am giving it to you as hook lock method. You can use it anywhere in your videos. Next is session chain tactic. What exactly is session chain tactic? Once your video is started, you have to make it more good. That makes YouTuber that particular person to watch your next video. What exactly is there in your next video? What hidden gems are there in your next videos? And never say to any person thanks for watching, this will end your video. Instead say, wait, you need to see this next, or you will make a huge mistake. This forces viewer into another video, and your session will be multiplying your session score. And if you apply a session chain tactic in your video. Next is re-engagement trigger. Drop a pinned comment asking a controversial open-ended question, and drop a pinned comment using your channel playlist. Even Your favorite video which you want to make it viral, drop that as a pinned comment and make it more visible to so many audiences. Example, how exactly you have to do is YouTube's AI is secretly controlling your views. Do you think this is fair? More comments equal to more algorithm boosting. That's the reason most of the YouTubers say, please comment on how do you feel about the video. Right now, if you're liking this particular video, please comment on the below and make sure you subscribe. I'm seeing there are so many people who are just watching the videos but not subscribing at all. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. It will not harm you at any point. Next, lastly but not least at all, don't miss the content. Right now, I'm telling you the forcing YouTube to recommend your videos. That's not the last one, but stay tuned to my all the content. See the past videos in my thing, in my playlist. There is so playlist in my channel. You can go through my all past videos. Everything is entertained and everything is made for you. We are making progress in this particular channel. We are making it step by step. So every channel gets a 90-day test. What exactly is this? What exactly is 90-day test? Right? So, for example, if you are posting one video today, one video after 3 months, how could YouTube recommend your channel? YouTube thinks that you are a spammer, or YouTube thinks that you are not a serious content creator. So if you are failing that particular 90-day test, YouTube never YouTube stops pushing your content. But if you pass this one, YouTube recommends you exponentially, and it will recommend to many of the audiences will come to you and subscribe to you. You can see the growth. If you waiting is worth, and waiting is worth your time. You can get the watch time, you can get whatever it may be. It may take some time, but if YouTube loves you, it will force your channel to grow. It will never stop channel to grow at all. How to force YouTube exactly to push you now itself? Okay, let me tell you. If you are posting irregularly, work on your old videos, titles, thumbnails. YouTube thinks them as a new thing. Drop a community post with a poll. Drop comments when you are going to another channels. Post a comment, love like the content. Don't leave them without a comment. Definitely comment on other videos. YouTube will think that you are engaging in the YouTube, and it will promote your videos. Pin a comment with a CTA that force replays more watch time, that will give you a more watch time. If you don't do this, your channel might never grow. But if you apply all these tactics, your next video could explode overnight. Click now to learn the final secret that will make sure YouTube never buries your videos again.